Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to install WordPress on Hostinger web hosting. So let's get started. First, you need to add domain to Hostinger and point your domain to Hostinger web hosting. If you have already completed these steps, then you are ready to install WordPress. First, go to hostinger.com and log in with your credentials. This way you can access Hostinger control panel. On the home page, you will find your hosting details. Now click on Manage button. On Dashboard, you will find Website Name drop-down in the left panel. Just select the domain name on which you wish to install WordPress. Once you select the domain, on the right side you will find Auto Installer. Just click on it. On the Auto Installer screen, click on Select button for WordPress. Now you need to enter certain details for your website. Just enter website title, enter administrator email address, enter admin username and password of your choice. Just note down these important details for future reference. Once done, click Next. Now keep the application version as recommended. Select language and now click on Install. It may take some time to install WordPress on your selected domain. Once done, on the next screen, enable Force HTTPS option as this is necessary these days. And this is essential if you want your website to rank on Google. Install SSL certificate and now try to access your website on browser. Enter admin email and password that you just set and you will able to access WordPress dashboard. As you can see, WordPress is now installed successfully. So that is how you can install WordPress on Hostinger. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.